issued a safer-at-home lockdown, all residents being asked to stay within their homes and do not leave unless absolutely necessary. All businesses have been closed except major grocery stores and hospitals until April 17th. I guess all that toilet paper people have been stockpiling for the past 2 months is finally gonna come in handy. Now let's hop on over and see how Griffin is doing. He's out there at Bel Air Estates with the Kardashians as they are preparing for their safer-at-home party.